B5 Biturbo. This is a BMW 5 Series Touring modified by Alpina. It actually has a V8 engine in it with over 600 horsepower. So that's pretty amazing. As you can see, huge exhaust tips, two on both sides. B5 Biturbo, so it's a V8 engine with two turbos. If you look into the interior, it's special interior leather seats. Then there's actually an Alcantara insert in the seat with Alpina badge. Right here, the same in front. It is beautiful blue color. There's the placket. I don't know if you can see it. Right next to the iDrive controller, there's a placket that it is indeed an Alpina car. A special black piano Alpina trim with Alpina logo right here, and huge brakes, beautiful Alpina wheels, signature, lots of spokes, blue brake calipers, even bigger brakes at the front of the car, blue signature calipers with Alpina written on them. There are no stick lines on this car as there are on other cars right here, but this car seems to be insane. Right, you can see these black vents right here. I love the details. And of course, the Alpina logo on the steering wheel right there. Zero to 100 kilometers an hour in 3.7 seconds. It has 608 horsepower and 800 newton meters of torque. That's insane.